Hey everybody, welcome back. Well, I thought it was about time to do a video where I walk around and talk about how much I have invested into this truck. I have had a few requests, so I've put together a list, and my list is pretty accurate, down to the penny, although I may have forgotten a few things. But anyway, so here it goes. And this list is not really in any particular order. It is just how I kind of maybe found the receipts or thought of things. So here it goes. Got LED third brake light, $29.99. Replacement headlights, $49.99. Did a rear diff service, and the materials cost $62.54. Alignment, $85. Oil change, materials for that, $38.76. Got this used hitch, was $50, and the hardware was $12.98. And by the way, there are videos for all of this stuff, so go back through the playlist and take a look. Oil sending unit, $12.92. New master cylinder, $81.15. Air filter, $11.99. The big one, the lift, which included the lift spindles, shackles, and shocks, approximately $400. I couldn't find the receipt for this, but I called the company off of eBay, and they kind of threw everything together and gave me a pretty good deal, including shipping. Got a miscellaneous charge, which includes like various spray paints and hardware and everything. I'm gonna say $100. The bed liner over there was free. Found that on OfferUp. Somebody was getting rid of it. New license plate lamp, $6.48. Light tint, the film that goes over the front LED bar right there, was $6.80. The badge overlays, $18, front and rear. Hitch plug in the back was $7.81. Power window kit, $50.94. The backup sensors, $14.43. Those right there. Steering wheel wrap, leather, was actually pretty good quality, $31.90. New turn signal stock, $14. There's a video on that. There's nothing wrong with the one I had, but it was basically it was the lower version, and this is the upper version, which is identical. This may be for like a Ford Expedition or Ford Super Duty, I'm not sure, but they're all pretty interchangeable. The outside mirrors, $30.50. Keyless entry, $22.88. Floor mats, $29.99. This little wire cover for the mirror, which is this thing right there. Let's see, where $7.95. Color match spray paint and clear coat, $41.99. New shift knob, $19.69 right there. Factory shift knob. The rear view mirror, which was out of a Nissan Pathfinder if I remember correctly, but it has HomeLink in it, and it's auto dimming, and it's got a compass that was used, of course, and that was $42. LED tail lights, $107.99. These right there. 4 tires, $659 delivered. New edge decals, and those are Ford parts. Came with a package of 3. I have an extra one, $9.68. The lift blocks for the rear, $49.95, because it wasn't sitting level after I put the spindle lift on it. Cam bolts, $37.95 to correct the to make this thing be able, so we could align it. And the labor, I did not put those in. I did not have time. I didn't feel like doing it or tackling it. It was 192 bucks. Backup camera, $24.48. This doubled in stereo, which is a piece of crap. I do not recommend this thing. 155 bucks. It does have navigation built in. I guess it's okay. It just depends on what what you're looking for. The interface is terrible. Everything seems to work, but I just don't like the interface on it. LED fog lamp bulbs for the LED. For the fog lamp bulbs, $11.85. Got the side steps there, $107.95. Wheel spacers came with a set of 4. I only ended up using the 2 for the rear. $55.89. Window tint, I did not end up using it, but I bought it anyway. Was let's see, $23.93. This custom-made armrest console cover, which I actually really like, really recommend. There's a guy on eBay that's making these things. That's metal, and the old ones are all cracked and nasty. So this was a bit pricey, but I definitely recommend it at 115 bucks. New pedal covers, $28.97. Originally purchased some before I got the free bed liner, and I did the spray-in, bed liner out of the can. I got the right and left side and the tailgate bed rail covers, $148.98. Those I took off and sold, which will show up in the form of a credit here. New gas cap, $20.59. Nothing wrong with the old one except that the strap was broken, and so I got one with the new strap. Not super necessary, but more of a luxury than anything. And let's see. I know that I'm probably missing a bunch of stuff. And I assumed I took I got the old BFG tires. I took those off and sold them for 400 bucks. A couple of other things I took off and sold, I'll call it another 50 bucks. So taking off 450 bucks in credit for things money that I ended up recouping, I am at, well, actually, once I add the purchase price of the truck of 2,900 bucks, I am at a grand total for the truck and everything I purchased for it, $5,290.19. Now that does not include any of my labor or labor from friends working on the truck. So, take that as you will. This is more of a labor of love than anything. And, is the truck worth like 5,300 bucks? I don't know, maybe. Not exactly sure what it's worth. Probably if it is worth that, certainly not much more than that. So if you're going to do a project like this, you don't do it as an investment. You do it to have, a nice truck in the end, which I think I do. This truck is not perfect. The paint is actually in really good shape. Yeah, it's going to be kind of hard to see maybe on video here, but the clear coat has started to fail in a couple places. I did repaint this flare. I have a video on that. The other 3 are starting to really need to be repainted, which is no big deal. See, the clear is kind of fading on top of there. Plus this one has some scratches in it, but it may not come through on camera, but there are a few, dings and dents and scratches and stuff. I mean, things, it's a 2002 truck, so it's definitely not new, but overall, I mean, the interior is in pretty much immaculate condition. So there's the door panels you can see with the power windows that I added. And I know that this seat cushion has been recovered. I think the previous owner did it. So, I mean, there's not a single rip or tear anywhere in this interior. But this seat fabric is just ever so slightly different, and I don't even know if you'd be able to tell on camera. This bottom's been redone, ever so slightly different than the back fabric. I mean, it all goes together very nicely, but you know, I won't complain since this has probably been repaired, and yeah, I can feel like there's maybe some new foam in there, so it's in really good shape. Air conditioning works nice and cold. Of course, the power windows and power locks all work because they're all brand new. Other than that, it doesn't really have any options. I mean, there's no cruise control. I also replaced a couple of the LED. I think I already had these actually, the LED for there. And that's about it. I mean, it's got kind of a vinyl floor mat. And trying to think what else. I did have several of the things were donated by sponsors, including those LED pods right there, and the LED headlight bulbs themselves. But there's pretty much a video on everything, so feel free to check them out. I'll put the link for the playlist in the description of this video. A lot of labor went into this, which is to be expected. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. Definitely happy with the way it looks. I think it looks really nice. What are your thoughts? Let me know about the cost. And let me know what you think about the finished product here. Not that it's finished, but finished so far. So I guess that'll do it for this video. Definitely appreciate you following along. More to